The MagnaFlow Universal Catalytic Converter is a versatile unit designed to fit a wide range of vehicle makes and models, offering a comprehensive solution for direct fit applications. Constructed from durable stainless steel, this catalytic converter guarantees optimal performance and reliability with integrated OEM-like O2 ports and a continuous seam weld for superior thermal insulation. The converter meets or exceeds Federal Environmental Protection Agency OBDII emissions requirements, ensuring compliance with legal standards for federally registered vehicles. However, it is important to note that this product is not intended for use in certain states like California, Colorado, New York, and Maine. Installation of this universal converter often requires professional skills, as it may involve the use of welding, cutting, and tube bending equipment. The product comes with a 5-year or 50,000-mile limited warranty, providing worry-free ownership for the user.